Want to recreate this screen? Let's break down the rapid zoom step by step. Add the clips to the timeline, select them and set the duration of each clip 8 frames. Remove the gaps. Last clip duration is 110 frames. To match our clips to single color palette, go to the color page. I like the Noir style palette of the last clip. Select our clips, right click to the last one and choose Short Match to this clip. Return to the edit page. Go to Effects and add Adjustment Clip. Apply Transform effect to it. Trim Adjustment Clip to the length of the single clip. Move to beginning and set the keyframes on the zoom parameter. Go to the end and set the value to 2. In the animation section, enable motion blur. Duplicate the adjustment clip and place it above each clip. On the last segment, set a keyframe for the scale at the beginning and shift it at the end of the zoom to achieve a more balanced look. Adjust the other clips if necessary. Extend the duration of the last adjustment clip. Go to Effects and add Digital Glitch to the last clip. Move about the middle of the clip, set the effect value to 0 and add a keyframe. Move forward 2 frames and increase the value. After 2 more frames, reduce the effect back to 0. Repeat this process. Move forward about 15 frames, add another keyframes. And push effect to maximum at the end of the clip. Add a smooth fade out. Subscribe to channel to learn even more about the capability of DaVinci Resolve.